Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Aval or Poha mixture. Heat a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 200 grams of Poha or Aval or beaten rice and roast it for 3 minutes. When it turns crispy, take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now add 6 sliced garlic cloves. Sauté this for some time and add 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced pieces of coconut. Sauté this for some time and add 6 split cashew nuts. When it turns light brown, add half a cup of fried peanuts and 3 tablespoons of fried gram. Sauté this for some time and reduce the flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sauté this for a few seconds and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. When the curry leaves turn crispy, add the roasted poha or aval. Mix well and turn off the flame. Poha or aval mixture is ready to serve. Allow it to cool and store it in an airtight container. Please try it out and post your feedback.